guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and I'm here with my ever-present co-host, Swifty. Okay, I hear you, yes. We are unboxing Piquant Post, which is a monthly spice. She's biting me, like, why? Why are you doing that? A spice subscription box. Package, I should say. This is not clearly not in a box. It's $11.99 monthly. They do send you 4 recipes from a different region of the world each month, and then the spice blends go along with each of the recipes. This is a really nice one. It's a great price, and I do like that they go through different flavors. Like, you can really experience an area of the world. So I always do try to recreate one of these recipes. So if you're interested. That is not necessary. If you're interested in seeing that, I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Piquant Post with my affiliate link so you can check them out. I always say that. I know I'm a broken record, but... Alright. Pop these babies out. That is unnecessary. Alright. Ooh, it's Portuguese. Hey, that hurts. I don't like that. So we're going to Portugal this month, and I'm going to go through the recipes before I do the spice blends, just so we can kind of look. I never know what I'm going to make. So chorizo and kale soup. Let me see, like cod. Oh, it's cod. Okay, so there's that. There's peri-peri grilled chicken. That sounds pretty good. Peri-peri, I've heard of that somewhere. I've had it or something. So there's that. And those both look, the chorizo is looking like it's a little more complex, but it doesn't have any ingredients that are like crazy. Just no, this is pork. Why did I thought I saw, oh, I was probably looking at something else. This is a pork, I was right, I thought so. So there's that. This one looks a little more simpler. Chicken, yellow onion, red bell pepper, lemon, basil, and I grow basil, so I have that. Garlic, virgin olive oil, the peri-peri blend, and a red or green jalapeno. So there's that. Then there's a bifana pork sandwich, which sounds really good. Oh, all right. So this is three different like recipes in one. So you're making a pork marinade, which includes the Portuguese allspice blend, brown mustard, white wine, garlic, that sounds really good, and thin pork cutlets. My mouth is watering, I'm hungry. Then you have to make 2 red onions, 2 tablespoons of olive, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt to make caramelized onions. And then you're going to make your sandwich, which is 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 4 bread rolls, mayonnaise, handful of baby arugula, and the allspice blend. So there's that. And then finally, this is the cod. Portuguese cod with fideos. So this is, we need cod, which is actually the last recipe I did. I made something with fish, and I didn't realize that fish was so hard to find. And when I did find it, out of my plant, out of my plant. No, come here. You get away from there. It was like $21.99 for like a pound. That really hurts. I don't like that. And I was like, oh no. We won't be doing that. And I actually ended up getting cod, which is much more reasonably priced. Cod's yellow onion, bell pepper, teaspoon of salt, olive oil, crushed tomatoes, low salt vegetable stock, the saffron blend, and 7-ounce fideos. Oh, so this is a vermicelli style noodle. And then a handful of parsley chopped. No, get out of there. No, you cannot do that. That's not for you. That plate is not for you. This cat is crazy. Stop. That's not nice. All right, so the Portuguese allspice is to be used with the bifana pork sandwich, which, to be honest, is low on a lot. Sound like I'm going to be making it. This has paprika, ancho chili, cumin, nutmeg, black pepper, cinnamon, allspice, oregano, ginger, cloves, lemon peel, orange peel, and bay leaf. So that sounds really good. And I have to admit something. I do like a lot of stuff, and everybody's like, oh, you like everything. I do not like cardamom. That's a spice that's used in many, many dishes, and I see why people love it. It's very much like cinnamon, but it has this weird, I'm not a big fan, and when it's in stuff, and it is in a lot of stuff, I'm like, cardamom. It's not in that. No, you cannot do that. You're gonna come here. You gotta stop. You gotta stop this. You gotta stop. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. You can hear her purring. She purrs so loud. All right. So next we're going to do the chorico and kale soup. This chorico spice is smoked paprika, garlic, cayenne pepper, white pepper, bay leaf, and fennel seed. She's laying on my recipes. The peri peri grilled chicken spice is just called peri peri. It includes smoked paprika, chili flakes, garlic, onion, oregano, lemon peel, basil, guajillo chili, and citric acid. And then that one also looks pretty good, and like I could actually complete it. And I love to use my grill. Like it makes me feel like really, I don't know, like a Boy Scout or something. I don't know. So the Portuguese saffron, which sounds really good by the way, includes safflower, paprika, lemon peel, black pepper, garlic, thyme, turmeric, cayenne pepper, and bay leaf. Oh, my nose. I got a cat hair in my nose. So that is everything that I received. I don't know yet what recipe I'm going to do. If you want to see, click the link down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.